Hey guys, Fishy here, and I just wanted to give you a heads up on the troll hunt, the live troll hunt on May 16th, 2018. We are going to look at a family of fakers, starting with Vizar. Vizar here he is at Madrid, apparently went to a university in Pristina. Doesn't speak a lot of English on his wall, okay, but he's with Lindita. Lindita, if we look at her, she's over here in Albania, checking in a couple of years ago, and Kosovo a couple of years ago. She doesn't post much on her wall that I can see. Pristina, she goes places in that region. And Bashar. Bashar here is wishing happy birthday to Vizar. That's cute. I don't know if they're brothers, cousins, what, but they seem to be related. And he calls him bro if you translate this. Good year for you, bro. And, going different places. All of these comments are not English. Well, that's not really remarkable, but what are we seeing? If I put Bashar's name and I search President Donald J. Trump News Group, he's posting there. And he's posting Always American page posts, things from Always American. And if I take Vizar and his name and I put it in a group and search there, I'll find that Vizar is sharing American news posts all through that group over and over. So if I take Lindita's name and I copy that and I look at a separate group, Amazing News, let's see, not necessarily Trump related, there she is, Proud to be Americans posts. All of these guys are sharing content that has America in it, and they come from Pristina, Kosovo, that region, Albania. That's where they are. Why would they do that? Why would they be interested in sharing American, Always American, or Proud to be American, Amazing America? Why would they be interested in sharing that content into Trump-related and American-centric groups if they're from these other countries? That would be an interesting question to ask, and we will look at it on the troll hunt. We will dig into these people, these groups, these pages, and see what's going on. We will see you at 8 p.m. Central on the 16th, Wednesday, on the Unfakery live troll hunt on the Unfakery page, facebook.com/unfakery.